Na-miss ka ng mga fans mo, mga co-artists mo. Why you decided to accept the role and ano yung challenges you encounter?
Ilang years nga, Echo, no? Ilang years before ka ulit lumabas?
2017, 2018.
Wow.
2018.
Nakakamiss naman talaga.
6 years, 6 years. Oo. Naligaw ako eh. No. First of all, I want to thank all the people I work with dito sa show and sa Dreamscape for actually offering me the role of Tyrone and Arthur, because I had no expectations and I was really blown away. I might as well have, sana nagkaroon na lang expectation, because watching the final product was just amazing. So I want to thank my directors for, just having the vision talaga, and we all shared the same thing. It's nice to be in working with a group who share the same energy and share vision. And that's what I got. So, ang feeling ng pagbalik mo, ganun, and then ABS, like, buhay ulit yung relationship namin. It never died naman, but, coming back to ABS felt like coming back to home. And then, having our friends here watch it, and then it's such a great show. I'm not kidding, I'm so proud of it. I feel like I made the best decision this year.
Yes!
So, thank you very much. It's the best time to, to just, one word na lang, para matandal ako eh. I don't want to turn my back on my artist again. And this is it, full embrace. Yeah. And this is the best thing to share it with.
Saka once an actor, always an actor. Di mo naman mahalis yun, Jericho.
Thank you.
It's always there.
Thank you.
Thank you, Echo. Congratulations. Welcome back.
Thank you so
Yung
much.
second question.
I want to ask you, Alan, how do you feel that I'm back?
So,
I'm just kidding.
Baliw ka, Jericho.
Boy, that's a serious question, di ba? Parang na-miss 6 years.
Hindi, why not? Sige nga, Alan. Ikaw nga, ano pakiramdam mo
Sige,
syempre, na-miss ng mga fans mo yung acting.
Ikaw ang tinatanong, hindi yung fans.
Ako personally, na-miss namin talaga yung Echo.
Diba?
Thank you, Alan. Love you, thank you.
And you still remember us, di ba, nung dumadaan siya kanina dun sa
Red carpet.
talagang binati niya kami yung mga familiar faces.
OG.
Ganyan naman si Jericho lagi.
Yeah, that's my strategy talaga, kasi I always forget names.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you, Echo. Congratulations. Second question ko for Jody. Grabe, Jody, no?